So in this video we will cover what Cisco Packet Tracer is, and as you can already see, like in this project we have Cisco Packet Tracer project, and later we will check and we will change and add some modifications. Now first let's take a look at our official page. So Cisco Packet Tracer is actually a virtual platform where you can practice any different computer networking devices and connect them. So first off, when you go to Net Academy, you see all these chapters, and in these chapters there are slides and projects, assignments where you can practice in this program. So let's go. So here, as you can see, there are materials you can read and go through, and after you are done with each chapter, there will be one problem that you need to solve using Cisco Packet Tracer, and one slides which is description. You can follow along. So let's go to our project. So this project is a smart home automated system, and here, as you can see, we have two switches, one laptop, one server, and home router and other IoT devices. So as you can see, we have three devices: garage door, lamp, and fan. They are all wirelessly connected to our router, and we have here we have a server. First off, you need to you need to go to IoT devices and turn this thing on, and then we go to the AAA, which stands for authentication, authorization, and accounting. And here, as you can see, I have already set up the environment for these three available devices, which are garage, fan, and lamp. And we also have a server, which is a router. We called it a home, and we also gave it a name, which is home, and we gave IP address. And also every devices, as you can see, have IP addresses, and we set those IP addresses inside of every device. In settings, you can go and change it. So now let's add one more device. So we go to end devices, and there is home section, and here we will add, let's add a camera. Also, this camera also done by one of those examples here. As you can see, there should be adding IoT devices. It was course assignment that we did in our lab classes. So this is manually done. It's not given in Cisco, so you can also add IoT devices. It's possible. So now let's check what this actually is. Here, as you can see, that we have a camera. We only have one. We can add two, so it can, when it's on, it changes the photo. But we don't need that actually right now. So now we will go here and we will give it a name. Let's call it camera. And in server, you go to AAA section, and you here add the name, which is camera, and you also give it a password. So as you can see, we have given only like the name of it and 1 to 3. So we will do the same. Camera 1 to 3. So now our device is added, and now we need to go and configure this. So so actually this device should be connected through wire, so we will use another device, which is wine detector. So we go here and we make it advanced, so we can modify it better. And here we have wireless section, and we are using VPA2, so we just use that. Oh yes, we should add here also AAA. Let's call it wind. Let's remove this one. Wind 1 to 3. So here in wireless we chose VPA2, and we chose the name we gave earlier, which is wind 1 to 3. Next we go to settings, and here we need to make it a remote server, and our server is have an IP here. Let's check. Yes, this server. Let's copy this one. We add here, which is home, and home 1 to 3. So why this is not connected? Oh, we didn't specify here. We need to call it home so it can connect. Yes, now we can go to settings. It should be connected now. Let's try. So it's not connecting. It's all correct. Okay, 1 second. So our video got cut, so I already added webcam, so we're gonna delete it now. Yes. Here in AAA also. Right, webcam. So here we add the webcam and we name it webcam. Webcam 1, 2, 3. So now we added the webcam to our AAA devices. We go to our webcam and we choose advanced options, which will give us chance to modify it. So when you go to wireless, you see here first you have to change it to home, because our home router is called home, and we choose VPA 2, and here we type whatever we type to our server, which in this case is webcam and webcam 1, 2, 3. So now it should connect automatically. Yes, you can see the wireless connection between them. Since we are using AAA, which stands for authentication, authorization and accounting, we need to authenticate them manually. We should do it through settings options. So here we need to choose remote server. Here we type the server IP, which is 192.168.1 and 2, and our username is home and home 1, 2, 3. So now we should see here refresh, which means everything is working and everything is connected. And one more thing I wanted to mention is that our configuration options, which are DHCP and static. So DHCP stands for dynamic host configuration protocol, which is used to configure the network devices to communicate on IP network system. So there are basically two configuration protocols, which are again dynamic and static. And most computers by default have DHCP already installed, already configured. So that's it. And another thing I wanted to mention is now we can see either through mobile or either through laptop our device, like in IoT monitor. So let's type in our username and password. Yes, you can see the webcam here. So once you turn it on, you can see the changes around the device, so that's cool. And also you can do it by pressing Alt and left side of the mouse. As you can see, you can just turn it like that. So that's it for our practice, and let's go to our Net Academy. So here you can go through all the chapters and do all the exercises, and you can take the quizzes. There are basically two quizzes. Once you are done all finishing with exercises and quizzes, Net Academy gives you a certificate for completion. So that's it for this course. Thank you.